In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create listing in eBay. We'll go through the process from the seller dashboard all the way to publishing your item, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. If you already have your product in mind, this should be a quick setup. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage listings and create new ones. Once you're there, click on Create Listing. That opens the listing flow and gets you ready to add a product. Next, type your product into the search field. Be as accurate as possible here because eBay will try to identify what you're selling and suggest matching products. This can save time later by filling in some details for you automatically. After entering the product, select Find a Match. eBay will show possible matches based on what you typed. Look through the results and click the same match that best fits your item. Choosing the correct match is important because it helps place your listing in the right category and can make it easier for buyers to find your product. Once you've chosen the match, click Continue. eBay will then move you to the next part of the setup, where you'll need to select the item's condition. Choose the option that most accurately describes what you're selling. This part matters because buyers rely on condition details when deciding whether to purchase, so it's always better to be honest and precise. After selecting the condition, click Continue again. Now you'll arrive at the main listing page where you can enter the product information. This is where you complete the details for the item. Take your time here and make sure everything is correct before moving forward. The more accurate your information is, the smoother the buying process will be, and the fewer questions you're likely to get from potential buyers. Once all the product information has been entered and reviewed, the final step is to click List It. That publishes your listing and makes it available on eBay for buyers to see. And that's it. You've successfully created an eBay listing. If you're doing this for the first time, it's a good idea to double check your details before publishing, especially the product match and condition, since those affect how your item appears in search and how buyers understand the listing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.